What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing a bike check. Got a new bike today. So today I sold my old bike and I got a new one. It's the Colt Ccoo. Got it at my local bike shop. Start from the front. I got, can't really see, Colt grips, Colt bars, Colt stem. It's upside down. Colt forks. Colt hub. White Colt frame, obviously. It's pretty nice. Seat, plastic, can't stand it. Colt pedals, some cranks, 25-2 sprocket, chain. Got a Colt match hub, I think that's what it's called. I think I saw it on a dance comp catalog. Yeah, and it's pretty pretty good bike. Got it for $400 at my local bike shop, and the hub is kind of pretty loud. Do a hub sound if I can do this. So that's pretty loud. So that's my bike check.